The character stands right in front of you, her body shaking with silent desire, sending out subtle yet sexually charged signals. Most men don't notice them, although they are quite obvious to those who know what to look for. But what if you could figure out her secret desire? What if you knew for sure that she wanted you right here and right now? In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you about the most honest and revealing signals a woman gives when her body is in passion and she's craving your closeness. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never miss an opportunity to arouse her desire more than ever before. Before we get started, please do me a small favor and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us share useful information, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with new content. Women and their body language. Women rarely express their desire as clearly as men do. Instead, their bodies convey messages through subtle, sometimes unconscious gestures. Here are some key signals. Lips, a silent invitation. When a woman licks or bites her lips, this is not just a habit, but one of the signs of sexual arousal. Psychologists confirm that such actions are associated with nervous excitement and internal tension. Her lips may swell slightly from increased blood flow, and biting her lips often becomes a way to contain this tension. If you notice that she bites her lips in your presence, know that her thoughts are clearly of an intimate nature. Touching is an eloquent language of desire. In moments of arousal, women seek tactile contact. If she touches your arm, shoulder, or neck, this may be a signal of her readiness for intimacy. More daring touches, to your lower back or thighs, indicate her confidence and expectation of your reaction. Hip movements are the ancient language of seduction. When a woman is aroused, her gait becomes more fluid and her hip movements are more expressive. This is due to evolutionary rituals for attracting attention. If you notice such changes in her behavior when you are near her, this is a clear sign that she wants you to come closer. The eyes are the window to her desires. A lingering gaze or dilated pupils are signs of arousal caused by the release of dopamine. If she continues to meet your eyes, even when she tries to look away, you know that her thoughts are wandering into a fantasy world. The bottom line: female body language is full of subtle but powerful signals. If you learn to recognize them, you will be able to sense her desire even before she decides to voice it.